Another Hot Wheels haul today. Because of COVID lockdowns, I don't get out of the house a whole lot, but when I do, I always check the Hot Wheels aisles for new stuff. And so I've got a 2008 Lancer Evolution, 1996 Porsche Carrera, old school Nissan Skyline, a Hakasuka, I think I said that right, box Skyline, as they would say. Old school Datsun pickup truck, Volvo 850 station wagon, 76 Greenwood Corvette. That's a car I actually remember, which says how old I am. And of course the infamous Mazda 787B endurance prototype racer with the Sakura Sprinter truck. So that's my latest haul. As always, I'm happy to add to my collection, and I love collecting Hot Wheels. It's something I've been doing for longer than I've been collecting large diecast cars. That's for certain. Only my Tyco racetrack predates my Hot Wheels collections, so that's pretty cool. "17 years of collecting Hot Wheels cars, and only the Lotus and the Pikes Peak Celica in the back had been opened before now. But recently I bought a 5-pack of exotics. Got a Jaguar, Aston Martin, a Porsche, a McLaren, and a Cadillac. And as you can see, they are out of their pack.